Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry sauce with curry powder. First, prepare your ingredients by finely dicing 1 medium onion and mincing 2 cloves of garlic. Grate a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Measure out 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder and have a can of full-fat coconut milk ready. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process for a delicious sauce. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add your diced onion and sauté it gently until it softens and turns translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic, grated ginger, and the 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Cook this aromatic mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly to release the spice's fragrance. Now it's time to add the liquid. Carefully pour in the entire can of full-fat coconut milk, stirring well to combine all the ingredients. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. This slow simmer is key to a rich, flavorful curry. Finally, taste your curry sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. For an extra layer of freshness, you can stir in some chopped fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice right before serving. This versatile sauce is perfect with rice, vegetables, or your favorite protein. And for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for these leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.